Hello guys, welcome to Today's Hustle. In today's episode, we'll be learning how to use Capcut on our mobile devices. Let's get into the process. To do that, you have to download Capcut on your mobile device. You go to Apple Store or you go to Play Store. I'm on Play Store right now. I will search for Capcut. From the results, Capcut is the second one with a black camera icon. You click on install. I already have the app on my device, so I don't need to install it again. When you do that, you allow it to install. When the installation process is done, you will click on open. When you open it, you sign into Capcut with your Google account. Then you get to this background. This is the general background for Capcut. When you sign in, you will see this background on your mobile device when you open Capcut. So you see the new project, you see some other tools there, photo edit, text to image. You have a lot of them. So to start a new project, you have to click on this new project. We'll go ahead and click on new project. Now you will see many videos that you want to edit here when you click on the new project. So I will select this one for now. You can click as many as possible. Then you click on the add button. You can see I only selected one, then I will add it. This is the video I added. I can decide to review it by scrolling it. Alright. On the top, you can see 4 different icons. You can see the cancel, a little fire icon, then the resolution icon, then the exporting icon. The canceling icon is just for you to cancel the project and go back to the initial layout that you saw. Then the second one is for desktop Capcut. We don't need it for now. The next one is the resolution. When you click on it, you can see the resolution, you can see the frame rate, you can see the code rate. You can decide to increase or reduce the resolution of your video. Then the next one up here is for the exporting. When we finish editing all our videos, we can easily export it by clicking on that exporting icon. Now, getting back to our video, when you play the video, I don't want the sound, so I will cancel it. You can see the video here. The video, okay. Let's go ahead and add text to this particular video that we have here. But before we add text, you can see that there are some parts that are not necessary and they are just taking long. The part whereby the camera is viewing from the down to the top of the person we are seeing here. So we have to trim that part. To trim that part, we click on the particular video. You will see a little white icon surrounding the video down here in a form of a border. Then you click on it, click and hold. Then you drag and reduce it to the point where you want it to be. Okay, let's just say we want it to capture from here. It's a little bit faster, so we'll leave it from there. You can see that we were able to trim it, so when we play it, it was now faster than the initial one. You can see kind of a redo icon or take it back. When you click on it, it will undo. It's a kind of the undo button. So everything that you did, maybe you just made a little mistake and you don't want it to happen, you can decide to undo it. So I will trim it again by clicking and holding that little icon. Trim, it's too much, bring it back, trim it from here. I think it's okay here. We'll be adding text now to this particular video that we have here. You determine where you want the text to be placed by scrolling to the position where you want the text to be. So I will start my own from the beginning. Then I will click on text, add text. It will bring out a text box and your keyboard will be up automatically. Then I will say fashion. Just see high fashion. So we'll write my luxury fashion. That's the name of this fashion. Okay, Now you can see that the background we are having for this particular video is interfering with our text that we just introduced to the video. So to edit the text, what we have to do is to click on the text we have down here, then we'll click on style. This white background, you see fonts, you can choose any font of your choice depending on what you want to use to suit your brand. I will just select this, okay, and I will go to style and choose red. Will red be okay? I think red is okay, more better than the white that we had before. So I will go with red. Then let's work on animation for the text, how we want it to come in. This is not bad. This is okay too. Or we use this depending on the animation you want to use. We have a lot of them here. It just give a better look to your video. Which one? This is not bad too, but I will go with the first one I selected, which is this. Then I will click on good. The size is too big, then I will have to reduce it. I will go to the text on the screen. You can see the two icons here. One is looking like pencil, then the other one like crop. I will click and hold, then reduce the size. Okay, and bring it down here. It's okay. Now next thing we can add to this text is bubbles. Let me click on bubble. When you look down here, you see bubble. I will click on it, just kind of a background icon for your text. Okay, you can choose anyone here. Choose, okay, I think this one is okay. I'll now click on good, then expand it, reduce it a bit, then keep it somewhere here. I think it's okay here right now. Let's play the video and see the results. Okay, I think this is not bad. Okay, this is not bad. So you can expand the text. If you want it to cover the whole video, you click that little white icon, that border, and you can expand it to the limit where you want it to go. If you want it to be till the end of the video, you can bring it here. It's okay here, so you can leave it here. So when you play your video, that particular text will be there through the end of the video. See, it's there, it's there. Okay, I think this is okay right now. Let's just leave it to the end of the video. We can also increase the speed of this particular video by clicking on the video. And you can, when you look down here, you see speed. You click on speed, you click on normal. You can increase it. Let's play it and see the speed. Okay, see the speed now just increased. But the speed is too much here. It's too much. Let's reduce it. And let's look at this one for now. Okay, I think this is okay. It's much better than the 2x. It's okay. So let's use this by clicking on good. This is okay right now. Then we can go back. Another thing that you can do is to split this particular video. You can split and delete. If there is a part that you don't just want to crop, you can down, you see split, you click on split, and this is the one we just splitted. You can see it's now different from the other one, so we can easily delete this part that we splitted by clicking on it. Then go down here, you click on it, you go down, you see delete. So we've deleted it. So when we start this video again, we won't see that particular part again. Right, now let's adjust our text to this. Okay, it's okay here. That part is no longer there again, so we just splitted it, then edit it, then delete it. Sorry, this is okay. So we are done splitting that video. Up next, we can add audio to our video. That is a background sound or the sound to suit the video that we are editing. But before we do that, after our video, you see is what red line that went up to the end of the video. That is our text, the text you are seeing there, the text there. So you can decide to edit it. The way you can edit it is by clicking on text. When you look down here, you see cut, audio, then text. When you click on text, that your particular text will come down so that you can easily edit it. When you click on it, you can easily edit it and change a lot of things there. So that is all for this. So the next thing we can do here is to click on the background, come back here and click on audio. You can click add audio, or you come down here and click audio. Anyone can go. So I will click on add audio. I will see sound. Okay, it's loading. Now you see a lot of sounds or audios that Capcut already have with them. If you want to upload sounds from your device, you click on the file icon, then go to my from device. Then you can select any audio of your choice from your device. But for now, we just use Capcut's sounds here. Let me go back. Sorry, sound. Okay, I can select anyone here. When I listen to it and I like it, I will just download it. Okay, there we have varieties of them here. So you can select anyone of your choice here. Okay, let me just get anyone from Beat here. You listen to it. Some of them, they are very loud, so I'll just select on. So I'll click on add, but the sound is too much. If you observe something, the audio is not aligning with the beginning of our video. So when you click on our video, before that audio will start playing. So the audio didn't start with our video. So we can click and hold the audio, then drag it to the beginning of our video. Okay, so I'll have to mute this audio sound, just clicking on it. When you want to edit the sound of the audio, because the volume is too much, when you click on the audio, then you look down here, you click on volume, will reduce the volume. It's too much. Okay, let's listen to it again. I think it's okay, but we can also reduce it to what will suit our video. Okay, so we can take a little bit down. Let's listen to it again. Okay, this is okay. We can work with it. It's not bad at all. So up next, we'll click on good. If you want to delete this audio, you click on audio. If you also want to split the audio, you can click on the audio. Okay, you click on audio and split it. You see, you can split the audio itself. Maybe there's a little part that you don't want to reflect on your video. You click and split it. So you can split the audio too, not only the video. The audio can also be splitted. So next thing we'll be doing, we'll go back. Next thing we'll be doing is to work on the stability of our video. Maybe when you were taking the video of the one you are editing, the camera was shaking. You click on the video, then you go this way and look for stability somewhere here. See, okay, stabilize. We'll click on it. When you click on it, you can decide to increase it a bit, to just stabilize it a bit. Okay, here, let's stabilize your video. May take a little longer process, but you can edit your video in the way. So it's stabilizing it and it's counting over here so that any form of camera shaking can be edited. When you finish this, it will load up to 100. When you reach 100, then it will stabilize the video. Now let's click on good and check the video again. Okay. So we are getting something out of this. The camera is no longer shaking that way. The video is stabilized. You can increase it up to recommend level depending on what you want to. So let's trim this our audio. So hold it and trim it. It's too much. Too much. Like too much. You have to trim it down. Trim it down to suit the video so that it will end where the video end. Okay, I think this is okay here. So let's see it again. Let's see where the audio is. So another thing we have to do this audio is to fade it. Let's click on it, click the audio, fade. The fade out, because it's not fading anything. So we'll click on fade out. You can see it's adjusting the frequency. Let's just leave it 10 seconds. Okay, let's listen to it. You see it's now good like that. It's fade out. Okay, do click on good. This is okay right now. The next thing we'll be doing is to add overlay. Now, how you do that is you go to the video, you can determine the particular place where you want the overlay to come in. Okay, I can just say here, I'll click on overlay and click add overlay. I can use any video or any picture as my overlay. Okay, let me see if I have any here. Okay, I'll use this picture as my overlay. I'll click on add. Okay, our overlay is in form of a picture here. So this is it. We can adjust it. Okay, let's click on it and drag it to any position. It's almost the same thing with the background video. Reduce the size. We can use our two hands on it and drag it out or in, so we can keep it anywhere, or we can just keep it this way. Okay, just for some seconds of the video. The video is still playing, and this one can be here. Okay, it's still not bad like this. Okay, let's just adjust it like this and keep it well. Okay, this is okay. Let's add animation to it. We see this animation here, or we can use this. Let's see how it looks when we play the video here. Okay, you can do more things to this. Expand it. Let's blend it. Okay, blending is not okay, so that it will blend with the other one. Okay, let me see how it looks. Let's try this out. Okay. It's blended with that one. It's not bad. Let's blend it again. Let's go back to blend. Let's see if we can use another one here. No, this is not good. I think this is okay. This one is okay here. Okay, let's just click on it again. It's okay like this. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is not bad. This is how overlay works. When that sound is going on, or maybe you are shooting a particular video, you are educating people. As you are talking, you want to be flipping some pictures. You can add the series of the pictures you want to flip in form of overlay. You are still talking, and the pictures that you are talking about can be flipping. So this is how we do it. So I can decide to adjust it up to the end of this video, but it's too much. I just want it short here for 3 seconds. Is okay. Okay, let's play it again. This is okay. It's okay like this. It's okay. So let's manage it that way. The next thing we'll be doing is to add transitions to your video. Okay, we can click on plus here, the plus here, so that we can get another video that we can transit to. Okay, let's use this. All right, this is good here. Oh, okay, we can use it. So let's get transition. You can see this icon in between the video, like the former one and the one I just added. You click on it. When you look down, you see transition. So the transition is loading. We have a lot of them here, a lot of transition depending on what you want.
Okay, so light effects, you can see we have many transitions. So let me use this, let me see how it looks. Yeah, let's get it again. It's too fast, but it's not bad. You can decide to change it to anyone. Okay, let's try this one out. Okay, it's not bad. Let's just use a good, just short one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is not bad, but I want us to trim it a bit so that we can remove this process here. We'll click on it, then we drag it from here and trim it. Oh, it was too much, so let's reduce it and end it here. Okay, let's get it again. This is okay. So you see, we're able to add transition to our video. So guys, before we export this video, I will show you how you can remove a particular background to your video or a particular picture that you are editing. So I'll be adding, let me click on this plus here. I'll just add a particular photo and I'll click on add. Okay, it added the photo for me here. This is it. And let's just say I don't like this background. I will click on the photo and I will come here. You see this cut out. I will click on cut out, remove background. I will click it. If you can see it now, it has removed the background for me, so I can use it. Like, let's just say my background is not neat and I don't want to use the background. I'm trying to teach people something and I don't like the background. I can easily remove the background. Okay, so that is all with the background here. It's not hard. So let's just add another transition here. Let's add something here. Okay, let's click this and add the transition. So let's watch the video from beginning to end. Okay, this is what we're able to do so far. You can see the video is looking very good. Okay, that is our overlay. Okay, now I don't know if you noticed something. Our sound just ended here, so let's extend this sound. Okay, let's extend it to up to the end. Let's leave it here, so it's okay. Let's watch it again. Okay, the video, the text is still there. You can decide to add a lot of text depending on where you want to put it and the information you want to put. This is our overlay. Okay, if you look at the transition, we removed the background for this particular picture and we added transition here. So you can do a lot of videos for your brand, you can do it for others, you charge them. So you see that our video is very neat and it's okay. This is the ending part. So the video is very good. So lastly, I will teach you how you can export this video. To export it, look up that icon opposite the resolution. You click on it, you export it to your phone. So this is the exporting process. You allow it to load. Loading, it will take a little bit time just to load, and that's all for it. So now this particular video we just edited is ready to share. You can share it to Instagram, to story, to WhatsApp, or you click on others. You can export it to your photos depending on, but when you go to your gallery, you see this particular video. Let's go to my gallery. Let's see it now. So it's asking us which social media platform do you often use to post videos. Okay, we just want to go to our photos and check it out. This is it, my photos. You can see the video, very neat. So our video is ready. You can decide to share it to your friends on WhatsApp and other social media handles. Okay, let me stop it here. Let's go back here. So guys, I believe today's section was very interesting, and for more of these videos you can go ahead, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get our videos whenever we release it. Bye guys.